for a little cruise down the hill. We'll see how I do holding the camera, keeping my balance. There's the skis. Here's the hill. Woohoo! Come on through.
Oh,
great day.
I'm sorry.
Here comes Paul.
Oh, Paul. Hey, Paul. It's your neighbor, Holly. Hi. How funny. You know, Eric.
That is really strange.
That's so funny. How you doing?